Hello, my name is Richard Collins, and I'm in Oklahoma City. And perhaps you have a machine that's Xerox VersaLink B605 or many others that are very similar to this model here. And you have one of these, and you're wondering, what in the world is this for? Okay. Well, a lot of times you'll have one tray or two trays in your machine. Okay, I'm going to open up tray number 2. Okay. You put our tray number 1, you can do either tray, okay? So this is tray 1, tray 2, but perhaps you want to use 14-inch paper. You're going to grab this green handle here and move it out, and then you're going to close this, or you put your 14-inch paper in here, close it, but you'll notice it's kind of sticking out. And what this silly thing is for is just to put it right there so it looks nice and pretty. Okay, that's what that piece is for. Now, if you need parts or pieces for any Xerox, give me a call. I'm in Oklahoma City. My number is 405-947-6349. If you need information on a Xerox copier, give me a call.